Class 10 exercise 26.2. This is the last sum. Okay, that is sum number 15. What is given? If the median of the following data is 32, median given to us. It's very important sum also. Median is 32 given to us. And let us determine the values of x and y when the sum of the frequencies is 100. And what is given? Sum of the frequencies 100 or sigma f equals to 100. That is given to us. Okay. And class interval given, frequency given. Let us write the class interval and frequency in the column form. Now automatically we will write the cumulative frequency also. Okay. And this is cumulative frequency. Let us keep it short because we need some space. This is the class interval. Next is frequency. Next is cumulative frequency, write as CF. Okay, what is the class interval? Class interval, this is given to us 0 to 10. Next is 10 to 20. Next is 20 to 30. Next is 30 to 40. Next 40 to 50. This is also very important sum. 50 to 60. What are the frequencies given? Frequency for the first interval, that is 10. Second interval x, third interval 25, fourth interval that is 30, next interval it is y, and last interval that is 50 to 60 it is given as 10. Okay, we have to find the cumulative frequency column first. Okay, now we know cumulative frequency is here x and y. We have to find these two values. These two are unknown values. These two values we have to find out. Okay, now cumulative frequency, as we know, this is the running frequency, so it will be only 10 again. Let me write with the black pen. This is again 10. Okay, and next will be 10 plus x. 0 to 10, frequency is 10, running frequency 10. 0 to 10 to 20, frequency x. So cumulative frequency 0 to 20 will be 10 including x. So it will be 10 plus x. Okay, next 10 plus x plus 25. So 25 plus 10 is 35. So make it 35 plus x. Next 35 plus 30. So it will be 65 plus x. Next 65 plus x plus y. 65 plus x plus y. And next 65 plus 10. It's coming 75 plus x plus y. Here also when we will add all this sigma f, we will be 75 plus x plus y. Okay. Now see, this is equals to m. Sigma f and summation f is equal to given as 100. Sigma f is given as 100. Okay. Then what we will do? Therefore, according to the problem, can we write 75 plus x plus y is equal to 100. Then what is x plus y? X plus y will be 100 minus 75. This coming 25. So this is x plus y is equal to 25. Make it equation number 1. Okay. Now since sigma f, that is summation of sigma f, that is equals to n, that is given as 100, which is equals to n. So n by 2 will be what? 50. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Okay. So n by 2 is 50. 50 means this we will just see the cumulative frequency column. Where is 50? 35 plus 6 we cannot take because x value we don't know. 35 x maybe maybe the value of x we will get the after adding this to 35 it won't be 50. So we cannot take this value. What we will take? We will take the next value as it is 65 already existing. So 50 should be there. So this will be the median class. 30 to 40 will be the median class. Okay. Median class 30 to 40. Okay. Median class is 30 to 40. Now let us find the median according to the formula. What is median? That we know. Median is equal to L plus. What is lower limit of the median class? That is 30. 30 plus n by 2. N by 2 we know this is 50 minus CF. The cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class is 20 to 30. Its cumulative frequency is 35 plus x. So 50 minus 35 plus x whole divided by f. F means frequency of the median class, that is 30 into h. H means 30 to 40, class size is 10 into 10. So what we will write? 30 plus 50 minus 35, it gives us 15. So 15 minus x by 30. 15 minus x by 30, or we can write 10 3s are 30. So it's better 15 minus x by 3. Make it 3. So according to the problem, now can we write 30 plus 15 minus x by 3 is equal to 32? Because median is given to us. Median is given to us as 32. So we can write this 30 plus 15. So according to the problem, we can write 30 plus 15 minus x by 3 is equal to 32. Here this is the median. This is given to us. So write here 32. Got it? Now 15 minus x by 3 is equal to 32 minus 30, which gives us 3. Okay, do this calculation part here. Then what we will get? 15 minus x is equal to 6. Therefore minus x equals to 6 minus 15, which gives us minus 9. So x is equal to 9. This is one value. X is equal to 9. Now we have to find the value of y. Now from equation 1 we know x plus y is equal to 25. X plus y is equal to 25. Therefore from 1 what we will write? From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 25. So write here x plus y equal to 25. X is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 25 minus 6. Just 25 minus 9, which gives us 16. So what is the value of y? Value of y is 16. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 16. These are the answer. Only the unknown value, that is x and y, this only we have to find out. I know now this is clear to you. Okay, it's very important sum. Okay, now all sums done. What you will do now? Do all the sums in your copy, in your classwork copy, and practice. Obviously very few sums left, only very few sums, or maybe 2 or maximum 2 or 3, maybe 2 sums or 3 sums left in this chapter, that you will do on your own. Okay, I think you can do on your own. Okay, now this is all for today, and don't forget to do your classwork, this classwork in your classwork copy. Okay, then you will submit. And then median, after median chapter also completed, mean completed. Next we will start ogive and then the mode. Okay, bye. Thank you very much.